Hi everybody, look at this beautiful clay artwork. Let's make it. First we are going to make balls of these different green clays, and then we are also making water. Put all of them together like this. We are also making pebbles using clay. Let's make leaves now. We are going to combine all of them together like this and paste all of them on the surface. Then we are going to make these cute little ducklings using yellow and white clay. Make the body of the ducklings and paste all of them on the water surface like this, and we are also adding some liquid and it's ready. Look at this beautiful clay decor. Let's make it at home. For that we are going to first roll this blue and white clay and make a shape like this. After that we are going to combine these three different color clay and we are going to roll all of them like this and make a surface. Now cut it and we are going to roll it around it. Now we are going to make a beautiful duckling using this white and yellow clay. Make its wings and eyes and paste all of them together. Now make a beautiful leaf using green clay, and we are also making a hat like this and put it on the top of the duckling. After that we are going to make a flower and combine all of them. We are also adding few leaves around it like this. We are also making this beautiful little droplets and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.